Hey guys, and welcome to Architects 3D Printing. In this video, as you requested on Instagram with almost 170 likes, I am going to show you how to make multi-material prints in any 3D printer. In my case, I will be using the CTC Prusa i3 Pro B that I bought on eBay for 130 euros. It is really easy to print with multiple materials in a single extruder setup, as long as we define the different materials in vertical portions of the print. I mean, we cannot have two different materials in the same layer, as we could get, for example, with a dual extruder or the Palette Plus or the multi-material upgrade kit for the Prusa i3. In this video, I am going to print the traffic cone that you have seen at the beginning, and I am going to guide you step by step. The first step will be to download the STL file. You can download it from the link down in the description. Now we will import it in Cura or your favorite slicer. And then we will go to Google Images and we will search the VLC media player icon. That is a multicolor cone and we will use it as a reference for our print. If we analyze it real quick, we can see that more or less it is divided vertically in 5 different sections of color, having orange in the bottom, white, and finally orange on the top. Back in Cura, we will have a look now to the dimensions of the object. As we can see, the set dimension is 50 mm. So if we divide it in 5 portions as we saw before, we will get 5 parts of 10 mm. What a coincidence, right? Another thing we can do in Cura is look at the estimated printing time and divide it by 5. So it will be orientative later during the print to set up the countdowns in our phone. The total print time is about 58 minutes, so divided by 5, it should be around 12 minutes. We will use 10 minutes to have some tolerances. Now you can set your favorite settings or just copy mine if you want. After that, we will generate the G-code and we will drop it in our SD card. Once in our 3D printer, we will start the print with our roll of orange PLA loaded. And we will let the roll of white PLA near the 3D printer since we will need it very soon. We will start the countdown to 10 minutes as we estimated before. Anyways, we should control the LCD screen on our printer often to check the Z position. Once the Z axis is about 1 or 2 mm to reach the first Z portion of 10 mm, we will cut the filament near the extruder and we will hold the white one in place until we can feel that it's being suctioned by the extruder. In a few seconds, we will start to see the white filament going out of the extruder. Now we will set the countdown again to 10 minutes when we will check the Z position. And we will repeat the cut and the change of the material. We will repeat this process 2 more times until the print is finished. Once the print is finished, we can take the traffic cone out of the bed and have a look at it closely. As you can see, we got pretty amazing results using a 130 euros 3D printer that we bought on eBay. So if this printer is able to do that, any other printer in the world is able to. This is another example of a multi-material print that I did. This time a 3D benchy, and again, pretty cool results, right? Let's try your first multi-material prints and don't forget to mention me on Instagram at Architects3DP when you share your results. Alright, so that's all for this video. Remember to click the like button if you liked it and subscribe to the YouTube channel as well as our social media to be notified when a new video is uploaded. See you on the next video.